Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna show you how to get this amazing purple blue kind of a warm smoky eye. I was just playing with the new palette and this is what I came up with. Obviously you'll see what palette I'm using in a second, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for tuning in today. I am more than happy to welcome you in today's video. I hope you like the eye look I came up with. I am loving this, honestly. I didn't even realize that it would look this pretty, but yes, I am loving the way it looks. If you want to take a little close-up, this is how my eye looks like. So I'm really happy about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well, and let me know in the comment section below how did you enjoy this video. And also for today's video I am actually going to put it in two separate ones, because in another one I will show you how to put on false lashes, because that was a very requested video, so I really wanted to put that in today. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button to show me some love and support, and I will really appreciate that. And also that is it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. All the products will be listed down on the description box below. What did I use for my face and all that stuff, so you will know. Just you need to click the show more button right there and it will tell you everything you need to know. So that is it for today, so let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, so to begin with I'm gonna get the Magic palette by the Juvias place, and I will be using the shade Casey, whatever. So I'm just using my Sigma E40 brush and I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. Then I'll be taking the shade Nana or Nana, whatever you want to call that. So make sure you have nothing on your face, I mean your finger. So I'm just using that on the same brush, just placing that on my crease as my transition shade. So I'm taking my BH Fluffy blending brush and then I'll be dipping the shade into Zakia. It's right there. I'm just take this shade right here, Eve or Eve, whatever it is called. I'm gonna attempt to take my brush and see how that performs with the brush. So let me see. I have to find a thicker brush. So as you can see, I'm trying to place the color with my brush first, and then I will try to build the color up. But the way the brush was packing the color, I didn't like it that much, because as you can see, it, as I was trying to blend it, it was losing the intensity. So it was getting like really annoying at this point. I really wanted to keep this on the video because you could see the struggle bus I'm on, so you know exactly what is going on. So instead of using a brush, I started using my fingertip to place the color, and later on to blend I'll use a brush, so that will still give me the nice color payoff. So as you can see, I'm just putting that color on my outer V and just creating a outer, like a deeper outer corner, and I'm just intensifying the color, like placing the color on my eye. Then I'm taking that blue shimmery kind of the shade, and now I'm actually putting it from my inner corner and dragging it to my outer third. So as you can see, this is just gonna create that gradient look, amazing finish you guys saw on the beginning, like the finished amazing look. So I'm using my fingertip because I figured this is the best way this color does work. So I'm just dragging it toward my outer corner, like just on my outer V, like, you know, the outer third I should say, where I'm actually like marrying the color together. So again, I'm re-intensifying the purple. I'm using my fingertip again, and because that is much more easier. So now I'm taking that dark blue shade and I'm using this as a transition between the two shade I just placed on my eyeball. So I'm just using that blue, like I'm taking it from my mid lid to my outer V. So this is actually deepening up the initial shimmer shade I did put on my eyelid, and also this is deepening up the outer corner, so this gives a nice gradient look, and that's what I was looking for. So again, I'm using my fingers for all these colors because I figured that was the best way this was working on. So now I'm taking the first shade I used as my initial transition, and I'm using I think a Morphe M433 or something like that. So that's the brush I'm using just to blend the corners, like on my upper edges. And then just as you saw, because I blended, the purple did lose its intensity. So I'm just going back with my finger and pressing that pigment on my eye, so this pops up back. So that was the only downfall for this magic palette to me. It's because I figured like the colors are beautiful without a doubt, and also I think purple itself is pretty hard to get in, like as far as that pigment goes. So like I'm not complaining, but I wish it did work a little bit better with the brush. That will be less hassle. So now I'm taking a creamy eyeliner. I'm using Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil and the color is black. And now I'm taking that blue shade I initially did put on, like as my transition between the purple and the blue shimmer. So I'm just placing that color on my bottom eyelash line. And now I'm just using mascara. I'm just gonna coat that. And I'm actually gonna wear falsies, and that is on my last video I did upload already, so I'll link it down below. So if you are having a struggle like to put on falsies, so you can check that video out and hopefully you will find it helpful. So after I'm done with putting my lashes on, I'm taking this pencil brush from Morphe and I'm taking that shade right there, and I'm gonna use it on my inner corner just to make it a little bit more pop-in. So this works as an inner corner highlight. Like since my eyes were really bold, I didn't want too loud for my inner corner, as you can understand. So now I'm gonna put my lipstick on. I'm using Kat Von D Lolita 2. I was not sure what to put on, but I just love this color, so why not? So now just take your band off, shake your hair a little bit, like, you know, do all the jazz you want to do and get out the door. So that is it for this eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!